Lawyers comment on President Mnangagwa's removal of Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission chairperson Chesima Jome. Tayapena mashuku mdato wapangwa inwe na advocate Thabani Mpofu. Outside the move, itoka named Kamiri Wanyika. Achiona kwa President Mnangagwa removed Chesima Jome from the Human Rights Commission. Never subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV hapa now ya KUTY ninaima constitutional amendments. The news of some advocate Thabani Mpofu in a court. A member of the independent commission, such as the Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission, can only be removed from office under Section 237(2) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe. Section 237(3) expressly provides that the procedure for removing a judge also applies to members of an independent commission. Accordingly, a tribunal must be appointed on the recommendation of Judicial Service Commission, and the member must be found guilty of misconduct before removal. Reassigning Chesima Jome to the Public Service Commission therefore constitutes removal from office and is unconstitutional. A reliance on Section 202(1)(b) is unavailing. That provisions does not affect the security of tenure enjoyed by Majome is of no application to the situation at hand, and the attempt effectively seeks to demote from chairperson of an independent commission to an ordinary commissioner of the PSC. We cannot sit idly by while such serious violations occur. The Department of Justice has failed in its duties with potentially grave consequences. Though quoted, with the legal requirements for the removal of a member of an independent commission compiled with by the president, what are the president's grounds for removing her? Does it have anything to do with Zimbabwe Human Rights Commission's report on Q3 you were recently praising? Doma developments are kuda pankwa ino achirwa kunzi KUTY the ruling party ZANU-PF tunamtu Kamiri Wanyika achinzi aiwa apana kumkumla nemutemo pakari asaina awa Majome. Pina comment section minutes of ngro emorudi bamsarwa chitko ichi. Subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.